The fire crackles, warming the faces of two men. The sun warms the back of their necks.
Not a bad day,
says Bill.
Yeah, we caught a sturgeon. What else could we ask for?
Josie replies, cooking a piece of fish against the flame. They share a smile. And Josie gives his friend a playful nudge. He moves the cooked fish from the fire, blows on it, then pops it into his mouth.
Ugh, I gotta go take a leak,
Josie says, popping the stick down and standing up. Just before he heads into the brush, he looks back at Bill and gives Bill a small nod. Bill is alone. He is relaxed, stretching out his legs. He breathes a small sigh. Time passes by. Leaves dance across the golden grass as they are swept by the summer breeze. An eagle flies overhead. A small mouse scurries past the log where Bill is sat. His face grows a little concerned. He busies himself prodding the fire, then looks left. With a grunt, he stands up, heading a little bit closer to the brush.
Hey, Josie. Did that sturgeon do a number on you or something?
He asks teasingly.
Josie?
He stands silent, listening out for his friend. A scream can be heard from the distance. Bill runs into the brush, stumbling through the vegetation. As he nears, he can hear the roars of a bear. His friend is strewn upon the ground. The bear is hovering over him. Bill is paralyzed with fear. The huge creature turns, blood dripping from his muzzle. It stands up, then comes back on all four paws. She sprints towards him. Somewhere amid the blinding anger and fear, Bill unsheathes his knife. He stands towards the monster, and as they collide, he thrusts his knife straight into her heart. She falls on the ground. Wounded, he continues to pierce the flesh again and again, stopping only when exhaustion takes over him and the adrenaline has served its course. He stands up, panting, coming up from his knees. A glance to his friend laying deathly still, and then another towards the bear. He stands alone. And then movement from behind draws his attention. A cub.